Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a brand new opportunity we've never done before. Hopefully I have your attention. You may have seen the motor pre-cuts that are on the table, on the shelves behind me, and you have a chance to make that small deposit toward your favorite pre-cuts and know that you're going to get them. Our customers love that. Otherwise, it's easy to miss out. That has been so welcomed, people are loving that opportunity to say, yes, right now, I'm going to make my small deposit. I don't have to think about it again. And next thing you know, in 5-6 months, they rebuild and that pre-cut arrives and they're excited. We're going to expand on that. I saw some Batik collections come in specifically from Island Batik, one of our favorite Batik manufacturers. And I thought, I've got to show you this. And we had a conversation with Island Batik, and they're going to be making some special pre-cuts just for us. And I can't wait to show you what's here. So what that's going to mean is, just like Moda, this time you're going to be able to head to Boo Bash, and you'll be able to reserve fat quarter bundles, 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, and the 2.5-inch strips, often referred to as jelly rolls. Here's the other important thing. We will have all of the fabrics shown as individual SKUs, and those won't be available till 5 or 6 months from now. But what's very important is, if you have an interest in some of the individual fabrics, I want you to make sure to go into those individual fabrics and sign up for email and texting, or choose your favorite, whichever you like. Texting is obviously faster. But tell us how much yardage you want. Because here's the thing about Island Batiks, and this is something very unique about their company. Once we place the order for our fabric, it's 5 months into the future. If we bring in our pumpkin fabric and everyone loves that and that sells out and I order again, it's 5 more months until more fabric will be available. That's very interesting. Many companies carry a lot of inventory in their warehouse, but Island Batik does not. What this means is, if you know you want some pre-cuts plus certain fabrics, sign up for those. That way we're sure to get an order going. We're going to be placing the order in a couple of weeks for this collection. If you want certain SKUs, and I have 3 different collections to show you, sign up for them. But again, the pre-cuts are available for a small deposit. The individual SKUs, you're expressing an interest, but you're not making a deposit. You're just saying, hey, I want 5 yards of this and 8 yards of that, whatever that might be. Okay, the first one is Boo Bash. You know, we see a lot of Batik come through, but no one does this quite like Island Batik. These are just incredible designs. Of course, we all know these are handcrafted. These are artisans. These stuff is made outside with chops. It's so amazing. No 2 batches of Batik are the same. And I just think they're just one of the most amazing things, really, that makers can use. So we have our pumpkins, kind of have those kind of creepy vines, kind of trees, and the black. This almost looks bluish to me with the different trees. We have our kind of creepy birds, right? The spider webs and a lime. I'll just kind of flip through here so you can see what's here. And of course, these will be on the website individually. We've got the typography with all the words. I like that this is not directional. Notice the words are going in all kinds of directions. So it's not like it's directional. No matter how you turn it, you've got some fun words to read. Great for maybe a cobblestone, like if you're doing an applique up to a haunted house, this would be perfect for that. That's just a scary fabric, kind of fun. Awesome, right? Maybe you're going to do a haunted house and you want that kind of very eerie sky. This could be in the sky even. So there's just so many things to do with this. Again, maybe a cobblestone. And again, our birds. All right, that's the first header. And now more of the typography, but now I like the multicolor. Ooh, we've got our witches and our moon. Same chop, but now this is just a tonal. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like it's birds. You can see them flying, their wings. More typography. More witches. Isn't this, I mean, just incredible design, phenomenal hand feel on this. And I've always thought that the price of these batiks are very fair for the amount of work that goes into these phenomenal designs. So that's Boo Bash. We know that so many people love to kind of decorate to the nines during Halloween. And so the chance to be able to get these pre-cuts, again, we're having them cut just for us, is such a rare opportunity. And I imagine we'll only be doing the pre-cuts probably one time. So be sure to get those chosen so we can let them know how many to make for us. And we'll, and also the yardage. Okay, Boo Bash. Love that. All right. We know after Halloween, we have our Thanksgiving, but then we're already busy preparing for the holidays, Christmas. This is called Holiday Follies. And again, we have 2 headers with our poinsettia, our ornaments. It's kind of a scatter, looks like our red and our green trees. Or lovely kind of woodland scene with our animals and our trees. More ornaments. These remind me of kind of Christmas cookies here. Snowflakes, more trees. And I love this one. It's got the pine cones in there. And this is just, it's just, I love the tonal, but I can still pick out certain elements of that. So how fun, right? Why use a solid when you can use something like this that's so much more interesting? So that's the first header. And then for our second header, obviously we have our berries and some poinsettia. Actually, our holly with a few berries and poinsettia. How pretty is that in that tonal? Kind of some few things wandering, but just a lot of texture. Some more berries and vines. How pretty is that? I mean, just to think that these are made by hand is just amazing. Incredible. And we also have our pine cone. This is one we haven't seen, right? With kind of the swirls and kind of the action there. More beautiful snowflakes. And then we end with a tonal with the poinsettias, and I see the pine cones again, and it's just incredible. So this is Holiday Follies. Same pre-cuts we'll be offering will be the fat quarters, the 10-inch squares, the 5-inch squares, and the 2.5-inch strips. And again, just like with Boo Bash and really with these all 3, sign up for any particular SKUs that really kind of strike a chord with you that you know you want yardage of, because that's how it works, right? We often get a pre-cut, but then we want a big outer border or a backing, and you need a big piece or pieces. That's where you letting us know what those are will help us make sure we're bringing in enough yardage for you, because we know if we order again, it's 5 months later. That's a long wait. All right. For after Christmas, when all the ornaments and all the decorations are putting away, we're getting ready for winter. For me, winter is a month that sometimes I endure because it's so cold here in Idaho. But if I can be inside quilting and kind of celebrating the beauty of winter inside a warm house, I'm okay with that. So Frosted Wishes is our final collection that we want to offer you the opportunity to be able to get your pre-cuts. Again, we spoke with Island Batik this morning, confirmed that they will cut these pre-cuts for us of the fat quarter bundles, the 10-inch squares, the 5-inch squares, and the 2.5-inch. And again, they reminded us to tell you, be sure to sign up for your favorite SKUs, because the next production will be 5 months downstream after we receive our first printing. So let's just go through these. Some ornaments, and again, something pretty here. Oh, some of these are kind of bunched up. All right, let me smooth these out. Sometimes these literally just came in today. I was like, all right, I have to call them and say, can I show people these headers? They're amazing. We call them headers. So look at the depth of this color and the variance of the color. It's beautiful. How pretty is this, right? The thing I'm also noticing about this is if you have a Christmas decor that's kind of that blue, I see houses sometimes that have the blue lights on them. This could work for sure for Christmas too. I mean, it's got the Christmas trees on there. But I would say this is also could just be forest. So you kind of decide what it could be. Now this is very Christmassy, right, with the stockings. But this could be heading just into January, not even be involving Christmas at all. Look how beautiful these are. Just phenomenal design. That's the first header of Frosted Wishes. And for our final header, more of our poinsettias. Look at all the gifts. I don't think we've seen that one yet. Just amazing. Lots of snowflakes, but kind of confetti almost. More gifts. Oh, wow. Look at this. It's like very windy in the forest, right? Very busy snowflake. I love that. And look at this one. Just settle on that for a moment. The depth of artistry of this is phenomenal. And then if you kind of just want that deep color, just it says that's that dead of night, that cold night, deep midnight. It's right there. So we are so excited to expand on what customers are absolutely loving. And that's the ability to say yes to their favorite precuts now and not even have to worry about that again. And to sign up for your favorite SKUs and you'll be the first to notify when we get those fabrics. So that's how it works. When you sign up by email or text, as soon as we get the fabric into the building, maybe we're going to email about that on a Wednesday or Thursday, but it happens to be a Monday, you get that email and you get that text before anyone else. We have even seen fabrics sell out with those emails and texts before the email goes out. So there's so many reasons to get signed up for not only these collections, but everything in the coming soon category on that top navigation, coming soon. Click on that and you're going to be amazed at how many fabrics are coming our way, and you can be signed up for each and every single collection you're inspired to see. So thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day. We are so excited to expand for our customers the ability to reserve their absolute favorite precuts. Thanks again. If you haven't subscribed, do that now. Let your friends know, hey, if you want to be sure to get certain precuts and sign up and get early notice about fabrics, Shabby Fabrics is a place to do that. Show them how to do that. Thanks again for giving me part of your day. I look forward to seeing you soon on another Shabby video.